The Honda CB500X isn't just another adventure motorcycle. It's one of those rare machines the mechanics around the world genuinely trust. Known for its bulletproof reliability, this bike has earned a legendary reputation for being almost impossible to kill. While many bikes compete with flashier features or more power, the CB500X wins hearts with something far more valuable: peace of mind. It's the kind of bike you can ride every single day through any kind of weather and still expect it to start up flawlessly year after year. Owners often describe its mechanical longevity as mind-blowing. Some have clocked over 96,000 miles with barely a hiccup, while a few reports even mention engines still running strong beyond 120,000 kilometers on the original clutch plate. It's not just reliability, that's mechanical excellence. Adventure rental companies love it too. The CB500X can take abuse, dirt, water crossings, and long stretches of open highway without flinching. It's a bike built for real-world adventure, not just showroom appeal. And when it comes to maintenance, Honda kept it simple and smart. Oil and filter changes only every 8,000 miles and valve checks every 16,000. That's generous for an adventure-class motorcycle. Plus, the 471cc parallel twin engine is designed to be understressed, meaning it doesn't have to work hard to perform. The result? Fewer issues, less maintenance, and a longer lifespan. Mechanics call it a warrior, not because it's the most powerful, but because it refuses to quit. There's no unnecessary tech to go wrong, just pure, honest engineering done right. Even spare parts are easy to find and cheap, since the CB500 platform shares components with several other Honda models. It's not a bike that tries to impress you with gadgets, it impresses you with time. Every mile adds proof of its dependability. For anyone looking for a practical, worry-free adventure companion that just works, the Honda CB500X stands tall. In a world full of overcomplicated machines, this one remains refreshingly simple. It's not just reliable, it's built like it plans to outlast you. This is the Honda CB500X, the motorcycle mechanics call bulletproof.